What up everyone, this is Moturals and today I'm going to show you how to fix your Windows 11 screen that is showing up blurry. So let's get around to this. So if a part or half or all of your or hopefully not all of your Windows 11 screen is coming up blurry, there's a few ways to fix this. The first is see if you can update your graphic card. So you can either just go to your device manager from your search bar and type in device manager and update your graphic card from here. So when you find display adapter, you'll see the graphic card and do update driver, or you have the NVIDIA or AMD graphic cards app to essentially update it directly from there instead, preferably from their app directly, so because most of the time the update kind of installs directly from there instead. Now if you've already done that and it didn't fix your issue for you, the next thing to do is right click into the main screen of your Windows device and open up the display property section that I did over here. You might have to play around. It's possible that some settings or resolution that you changed it to ended up causing certain issues, so like maybe this display resolution should not be the recommended one, or it should be the recommended one, and it's causing it to happen. The layout size, the orientation shouldn't happen. Maybe you put in an external monitor, hence why this is happening. So you can try to unplug that and see if what's happening there, and then try to fix the issue with said monitor itself. You can also go into the advanced display settings and change the refresh rate to if you have a different applicable one, again depending on your monitor, and then essentially go from there, because they all do have different ones. As you can see, this one has different ones, so you want to kind of go from there. So yeah, once you do this, hopefully restart your computer, you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please thumbs up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm Motorz out. Peace.